Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to be used with a different carrier or different network than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices these days are going to come locked to their original carrier or network, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or a different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 that is originally from Xfinity Mobile here in the US. And this is a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked because, as we can see with a different carrier SIM card inserted here, we get this message telling us that it is an invalid SIM card and that it's a network locked SIM card that we have inserted. And then if we swipe away the lock screen, we also see this message asking for the network unlock code. And that is a standard unlock procedure for most Android devices from Xfinity Mobile. Xfinity will provide you that unlock code so that you can use the device with a different carrier if you meet all of their requirements. The requirements, though, are usually that you be the original owner of the device, that you have it fully paid off and out of contract, that you don't owe any bills on it, etc., and usually that you also use the device with them for a certain amount of time. We're making this video for this specific device here because we've noticed lately and been contacted by a lot of customers who had contacted Xfinity to have the device unlocked through them because they met the requirements, but for whatever reason the code that they provided to them was not correct. So even after typing in the code that Xfinity Mobile gave them, the phone would tell them incorrect network unlock code inserted, something to that nature. Basically, the phone just would not accept the code and the phone would not unlock. This is something that we've actually seen ourselves a few times too, ordering the code ourselves through the developer account that we have with Samsung, randomly for several different Xfinity models, and we haven't been able to figure out why yet, but there may be an issue in Samsung's database where several of the codes are wrong for random various models. So we're making this video to show any interested customers that we do offer a way to be able to get models like this SIM unlocked using our computer programs and tools when the code provided by Xfinity doesn't work and the phone is still telling you that it's incorrect. The procedure is something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this process is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to you through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here, right now. So actually, as we speak, we are running our unlock program on the phone. It needs just maybe another minute or two to finish running up here, and then after that we should be able to see that the device is indeed unlocked, that we don't get those error messages anymore, and that the phone does register and get signal on the test SIM card that we have inserted. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of the video just to skip ahead to the end so that we can keep the video as short as possible. So hold on while the process wraps up. All right, we should be all set to go here. So our unlock program has finished running and the phone has now rebooted, and we actually now will be able to see that when we swipe away the lock screen there, we do not have that message prompting us for the network unlock code anymore. Instead, it gives us a message saying that the SIM card is changed and we need to restart the phone to begin using the new SIM card. So let me go ahead and tap on that, and we'll wait while it applies the changes. Okay, so the phone has now restarted. It's set up for service on our new SIM card. And if we take a peek up in the top left corner, we'll be able to see the name of the network that we're connected to, which is Cricket. So that is indeed the carrier of the SIM card that we have inserted here. Cricket is AT&T's main prepaid brand and provider here in the US, and so that's whose towers they run on. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings here just to show you exactly what we're working with. So again, it's a Galaxy Note 8. And then the model number there, the N950U, that's the model number of all of the US versions of the Galaxy Note 8, no matter which carrier it originally came from. And then if I jump under status, just to show you really quick, just to confirm that we are indeed registered on Cricket. We're in service, we've got our LTE set up there, and everything is all set up and going. So the phone is now fully and correctly SIM unlocked, just as if it were if you had typed in the correct unlock code. So again, we're offering the service to those who may have gotten an unlock code from Xfinity, but then discovered that the code was incorrect. So if you find yourself in that situation with a Note 8 or any other Xfinity model, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.